What is up, guys? So, coming at you with a little bit of a wrenching video. If you checked out my videos a little bit ago, you'd see I repurposed some trucks, Snakebite and the Donko. They're my stadium trucks now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those videos. So today, for the Donko, I actually had to steal the surpass motor out of this guy. So this guy is currently unusable. So I have this, a new transmission, because I had to use this for the Donko. Check that video out. I'll leave a link in the description on how to install a surpass motor into the Panda Hobby Tetra K1, which is what the Donko is based off of. No, the Donko is its own thing. Sorry. I think that's the X1 maybe? Or is the X1 the Jeep? I don't know. It's the Bronco from Panda Hobbies. Yeah, check that out. So today I'm going to be putting this into SON-UVA Digger along with one of these. And as always, here comes my little one. What, baby? You want to play with the Tinker Toys? Okay, hold on. Let Daddy finish. So, I'll be right back. I gotta go get some Tinker Toys. And then we'll get started on this install. The Power Hobbies, I think it's the Shark or something like that. I don't know. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well as this. And I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, guys. So this guy won't leave my sight. So yeah, this is my littlest one. A lot of people say, "Oh, you have your kids on YouTube, blah blah blah. You shouldn't do that." You know what? If they want to come and mess around, let them. They'll be in for a surprise. I'll tell you what. But anyway, I'm not scared. Here he is. This is little Tobias. Yep, he's Daddy's little monster. Eliza, she's the one that's usually in my videos. She's my little monkey. But anyway, I'm gonna try to attempt this video. It might not go over very well. So if you hear some screaming, it's because I'm not paying enough attention to this guy. But anyway, guys, be right back. Okay, guys, let's get this going so I don't have a little one come barking at me and yelling at me for not paying enough attention to him. Oh, too funny. Too funny. Uh-oh, I lost my wrench. Gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. We'll take that off. Had a little spacer in here for that surpass motor. Had to change the angle on it a little bit just for a little peace of mind. Kind of an OCD thing. You guys don't have to do it. They drop right in with the proper mounts and stuff. So yeah. So I need a little tool here to open this. And there we go, guys. That is looking pretty sweet. All metal. So now we shall break into this to get the motor on it. Just like that. Put that down there. Got good old RC Sparks playing in the background. Freaking sweet. Love that guy. To all you haters out there, keep on hating. Over 3 million subscribers. I think he's doing something right. All right. So there's that. Got my little pinion gear in here. Gotta get out. Open up the motor. So far so good on the kid category over here. Nobody's throwing a fit yet. All right, so I do believe I have to take that little gear off. So we'll take that off. Hopefully this doesn't end up being too long of a video. Slide that off. Oh, we got bearings in there too. I'm surprised. This is kind of a off-brand purchase I did just because the availability was spot on. Got it within like 2 days, so that's pretty sweet. And we'll see how well this fits. Oh, that's not going to fit very well. Shoot. Gonna have to go another route. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, and we are back after scrounging through all my parts here. I found an old stock spur gear from a stock motor. These generally tend to heat up a little bit, and they tend to get really loose. A lot of people just dab glue on there. That's probably what I'm going to do in the future if it starts doing that. But I've had luck in the past, so we'll try it again. So we'll stick this in here like this, and we'll get the screws, screw them in there. Whoops. This is very hard not having the proper tool, because I think I left it upstairs. I could have gone and got it, but I will try to attempt to do it this way. That is not the proper screw. So, dig through my other pile of parts. Okay, be right back again. Okay guys, we are back with my children raising Holy Cane in the background. Gotta love it. Found some screws from, again, a stock setup, because this is pretty much stock. Uh-oh, we got some ruckus. What's going on, girls? Screw that down in there. Along with this one. Dun, dun, dun. Boom. And now we shall check the mesh. That needs to be adjusted. Push that gear on a little further. That looks pretty good. Is that not the right gear? Well, then we shall switch that out to a completely stock one. Grant you guys, this is all going to get upgraded in the future. Just doing this to get me by so I can start using it again. Oh yeah, that's much better. Much better. Loosen that up. Much better. I like it. Perfect. A lot of you guys are like, why are you putting plastic? Because I can, guys, and again, this is all going to be upgraded. I'm just doing this so I can use the thing. The motor's probably going to take a crap on me anyway because this truck is so heavy with that body on there. I'm liking that, guys. I'm liking that a lot. Throw the nut back on there. So stinking sweet. Don't over tighten. Back that off just a little bit. Much better. So cool. Love it. And now I need to find some drive shafts. So dig through my pile of parts. Find some drive shafts. That one is way too long. Oh, that's because I got a whole drawer of them over here. And I believe one was this one, and the other one is right here. I think. Nope, that's an Enduro. Can't use that one. That's an Enduro. Whoop. I believe it's this little guy. And then we'll take these off. Oops, took the wrong side off. Okay, I'm gonna assemble these drive shafts and be right back, guys. All right, guys, we are back. Got my drive shafts together. So we'll throw these on. And I'm gonna leave the cover off just because I clean them enough. And this shaft on the new motor is longer, so it tends to hit on the standard covers. So yes, that is going to be left out. So we'll get this on here. That is still a little tight. There we go. Now we shall put some screws in it to hold the motor or the drive shaft on. I got so many extra screws, guys, it's pathetic. If you're into this hobby like a lot of us are, you're going to end up with a butt ton of extra stuff. Not exactly a bad thing. Dun, dun, dun. Throw the other one on. My boy's having a good old time over there. Just like that. And now we shall get this installed. Slide that one into there. Slide the front one into there. Center it all up. Just like that, guys. Stinking sweet. So now with the screws they give you, They give you 3 of them, and 3 is all you need to attach it into the truck. Put one in the top. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Get these wires out of the way a little bit. Tuck one underneath there. Stick one in the top over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, I done lost it. It's a good thing I got more. Now I dropped that one. Awesome. Stick that down in there like that. Oh no, losing it again. Losing it again. Oh, there it is. There's the other one. Just that simple, guys. And now we flip it over and throw these 2 in. As you can tell, I still haven't got the matching axle. I don't know how many times I've ordered it. I think I'm at like the 4th time and had to return it because they must have the part number messed up on their end, because they keep sending me a black metal one and I want the matching one for the front. Boom. Just like that. So sweet. So sweet. I just realized, if you guys remember in the front of the video, I had that little spacer in the bottom of the mounting place. That's because when I had the surpass motor in here, a lot of times that surpass motor will rub on the frame wheel right here. So I figured out, you know what, I'm just going to throw a spacer in there to cock it up a little bit so it stays away, and it totally worked. So if you guys want a tutorial on that, hit me up. I'm more than willing to do it. So that's that, guys, and now we shall throw the ESC back in it, which is right here. Just like that, and we'll get my pile of screws that I've been stockpiling over here, working on all this stuff behind the scenes. And we'll put these screws back in it. Boom. Uh-oh, somebody's not happy over there. What's going on, guys? My little boy, man. I'm actually surprised he hasn't been over here screaming at me because I'm not paying attention to him. He's kind of high maintenance. Not good. There we go. 2 more screws. Got so many. You got your jacket?
I want my jacket on.
You want your jacket on? Okay. Let me put this in here so I don't lose it. You're watching Daddy. Alright, let's get your jacket on. Oh, you got it inside out.
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Nope, other one. There you go. It's cold in the basement, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Exactly, so I don't get cold.
Yeah. There you go. Okay. There you go. All right, guys. One more screw and we will be done. Well, minus putting the body on. Hopefully you guys are still with me. I appreciate it again if you are. I love you guys that tune in to the full length of the video. That's so sweet. Let's snake this thing back around through here. Maybe. There we go. Pull it up and plug it in. Just like that. And we'll take the steering servo and route it back around over through here. Boom. Alright, now let's get a battery and see if it works. Uh-oh. Little Toby's throwing a fit. What, baby? What do you want? There's the battery. I think we'll just do one of those numbers for now. Grab my remote. Flip the switch, which is back here now. Oh, we have power. Look at that. It's alive. And quiet too. And there we have it, guys. Alright, guys, we will close with a little bit of a run-in of the new motor in SON-UVA Digger. Oh man. Just do a little circle around here, around this side of the track. Over to gate 10. So sweet. Uh-oh, something's happening over there in the kid world. That thing is really quiet. Uh-oh, trouble. Be right back, guys. Alright, guys, we are back. Dilemma solved. Siblings will be siblings. And we'll go right into gate 8. This little thing is so cool. So stinking sweet. Uh-oh. Another kid dilemma. Be right back, guys. Okay, little girl had to go potty. And now I'm just knocking everything over. Boom. Dun, dun, dun. Gate 8. And we'll just go right back around to the finish. Oh, knocking over the wolves. Do-do-do. So cool. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. We are in trouble. Boom. Ugh, there we go. Boom. Oh, oh, oh. There we have have it, guys. Baby son of a digger with a new motor. Stinking sweet. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Hopefully that was helpful. Sorry about the little kid dilemma throughout the video. Kids will be kids, what can you say? Yeah, sorry for the lengthy video. Again, guys, thanks for watching if you tuned in this far. Much appreciated. Hit the subscribe button, smack the bell so you get notified, and we'll see you guys later. Take it easy, guys.